Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate card using the, the April Inked Occasions Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is April 2025. So, I'm going to show you some of the items we're going to be using to make our alternates. I have the, what are these called? The low profile dots. It's an online exclusive. We're going to be using the paper pumpkin die set, the Hugs of Bloom dies that coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. We're going to be using these dies. Let me show you those. These are the dies. Okay. And then we're also going to be using this new online exclusive mini corrugated 3D embossing folder. Now, all the projects that I'm going to make are not going to have these items on there, but most of them will, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Mountain Majesties paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. Misty Moonlight is the stamping spot. Again, we have our Hugs of Bloom dies add-on for $12. And it coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. There's a link in the description box below for you to find out, sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And if you're interested, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. Again, this is a new program. It's been going on for a couple of weeks now, but I just want to remind you, you earn 10% on all orders that are $20 or more. Shipping is and tax is not included in your amount, okay? So $20 or more in product order, you get 10% in Stampin' Rewards. You can redeem those rewards on any future order. You can track them and save them in your online Stampin' Up account, and your rewards will expire 12 months from the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. Okay, so our first project I have here in this little baggie. I made these cards, or designed these cards, a while ago. As you can see, this one, I put it together a little bit. We have all of our pieces here. So this is from one of the card bases. I just cut the front and then cut it in half. So this is going to be 5.5 by 2 1/8. We have a belly band here with some basic white that is 11 inches long and about 1 1/4 inch wide. We have some fresh freesia here, and I can't remember the measurements for this, but it's 1 inch, and then I just measured it to go across the front of the belly band, okay? And then we have our Hugs from our paper pumpkin kit. And this is going to be the inside. So this fresh freesia is 5 by 3 3/4. And we have basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we are going to put a strip of one of the card bases. Let me see. Let's do it coming down. Just like this. Ooh. I overglued. Get it to the edge there. Where are my scissors so I can trim off the extra bit. Okay. Then we're going to get our stamping seal here. Adhere this to our fresh freesia. Just moving that over. Ooh, wait, that's too low. Trying to get this centered. I was looking at other stuff and wasn't paying attention. Okay, that's gonna be good. So now we can get this put into our card base, which is 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 2 1/8 on from both ends to make a gatefold card. And we're just going to put this right here in the center of our card base. on the inside, just like that. And then we're going to get our adhesive and put it on our little panels here. And we're going to line this up with the edge. Maybe I should leave it like this. Sorry if I get in the frame. Okay. Ooh. I'm taking this off because since it's a gatefold, I think I need to line it up on this edge. Usually I would line it up on the folded edge, but because this is a gatefold, we need the card to come together in the middle, and I'd rather have the extra on the outside here, okay? So let's do the other side. You guys know me and straight don't always get along, and sometimes, uh-oh, I'm running out of tape here. So we're gonna put this one just like that. Ooh. Ooh. That didn't line up pretty good. That's why I wanted to use this the Stampin' Seal, because it does allow me some wiggle. There we go. I need to get those gold lines lined up. I'm making this a lot harder than it has to be. Okay, so we're gonna just take our belly band. I did not measure where to score this at. I just folded it around. Okay, so this is gone. So let's get some glue here. I'm gonna put a little bit of adhesive right there. Ooh, I said a little bit. I don't want that squirting out. We're gonna just line that up like this. Put a little bit on this end as well. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna cover this up just like that. Gonna cover that. And then we're gonna put this on here. And I think I'm just gonna do it flat. So I'm gonna have to try to keep it from going over, because we don't want to glue anything shut, right? So hopefully I put the glue in a good spot so that it won't close. And see, we can remove our belly band, open up our card, and we can stamp whatever we want in here. And I put this, oh, maybe I need to turn it this way, because I'm like, I thought I wanted that there. Okay. It's all good. If I can get this back on now. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now let me get some bling. And we have our low profile dots we're going to be using. I have 2 packs in here. I need to see. Okay, I have some gold left on this one. We're going to put a couple of these gold little dots on here. Just like that. And call that card done. Cute, right? Even though we had a little mishap, but it's cute, the idea. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.